In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your education experience to your LinkedIn profile. Let's make sure your profile stands out with all your academic accomplishments. So let's dive right in. To begin with, open up your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in. LinkedIn offers several ways to log in. You can choose to sign in using Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address and password. Remember to be cautious with your login details to maintain the security of your account. For those with two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. This typically involves a code sent to your phone, ensuring that your account remains secure. Once you're logged in, hover over your avatar picture located at the upper right corner of the screen. This is your key to accessing all personal features of your LinkedIn profile. Click on it, and then select View Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will take you straight to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can make any necessary updates. Now it's time to scroll down to the education section of your profile. Here you'll find a button that says Add Education. Click on this button to start the process of adding your educational experience. Once the form opens up, you'll notice several fields. You need to fill out these fields with relevant details about your education. Start with the name of the school you attended or are currently attending. Take your time to get this information accurate. Next, input the degree type you earned or are pursuing, followed by the field of study. This could be a bachelor's, master's, PhD, or any other type of qualification. It's important to note that the field of study helps to communicate your specialization, which can be particularly appealing to prospective employers. Finally, add the dates of attendance. Indicate the start and end dates of your study period. If you're still pursuing the degree, select the option signifying you're presently studying. Ensure all the information is accurate as it reflects your academic journey. Once you've filled in everything, it's time to save your hard work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the form, and click on it. This action confirms all the information you've entered and updates your LinkedIn profile. And there you have it. By following these steps, your LinkedIn profile now proudly boasts all of your educational achievements. Keeping your profile updated is essential as it showcases your qualifications and can open doors to new opportunities. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to keep your profile fresh with all your latest achievements.